When you have a corrupted hard drive or USB device, it can be frustrating, but there are ways to attempt fixing it yourself. The steps outlined below will help you diagnose and potentially recover the data from a corrupted hard drive or USB on your computer or laptop. Inspect the cable. For external hard drives or USB drives, check the USB cable. Sometimes the cable itself can be faulty. Try using a different cable to rule out this possibility. Try different ports. If you're using a USB drive, try plugging it into a different USB port on your computer or laptop. A faulty port might cause connection issues. Try on another computer. Plug the drive into a different computer to ensure the problem isn't with your computer's hardware or drivers. Sometimes the device might be recognized by the computer but not show up in File Explorer due to a missing drive letter or partition issue. Open Disk Management, right-click the Start button and select Disk Management. Look for your external hard drive or USB device in the list. It might be listed as unallocated or raw. Assign a drive letter. If the drive is listed but doesn't have a letter assigned, right-click it and select Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click Add and assign a letter. Format, if necessary. If the drive shows as raw or unallocated, it may need to be formatted. This will erase all the data on the drive, so try to recover data first if possible. Right-click on the drive and select New Simple Volume or Format. Windows has a built-in tool called chkdsk to check and repair file system errors. Open Command Prompt as administrator, type CMD in the search bar, right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as administrator. Run the chkdsk command. Type the following command, replacing X with the letter of your corrupted drive, chkdsk x per f. The per f flag tells chkdsk to fix any found errors. Press Enter. Wait for the process to complete. The tool will scan the drive and try to fix any file system errors. This can take a while depending on the size of the drive. Check the results. Once complete, check if your device is accessible. If there are bad sectors, it might not be fully recoverable without professional tools. If your external hard drive or USB is still showing as inaccessible or corrupted, you can use the Windows File Recovery tool to try and recover your files. Install Windows File Recovery. Open the Microsoft Store and search for Windows File Recovery. Install it on your computer. Run the tool Open Command Prompt as administrator. Type the following command to scan your drive WinFor XY/extensive. Replace X with the drive letter of the corrupted drive, and Y with the location where you want to save the recovered files. Wait for recovery. The tool will try to recover lost or corrupted files, but it may not recover everything depending on the severity of the corruption. If chkdsk or Windows File Recovery don't fix the issue or recover your files, there are third-party tools that can help you recover data from a corrupted hard drive or USB device. Some popular options include Recuva, free and paid, simple and effective, especially for recovering deleted files from USB drives and hard drives. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard, free and paid, a more robust recovery tool that can handle complex corruption scenarios. Disk Drill, free and paid, offers advanced scanning techniques to recover files from corrupted or lost partitions. RStudio, paid. This is a more advanced tool that can handle severe corruption, formatted drives, and even RAID recovery. How to use Recuva, as an example. Install Recuva and launch the program. Select the drive you want to recover files from. Choose the type of files you want to recover, pictures, documents, etc. Start the scan and wait for it to finish. Preview and recover files you need. Sometimes the corruption is caused by bad sectors on the disk. Bad sectors are damaged parts of the hard drive that can cause data corruption. Run chkdsk for bad sectors. Open Command Prompt as administrator again. Type chkdsk x/r. This command will locate bad sectors and attempt to recover readable information from them. Note: if there are many bad sectors, this could indicate a failing hard drive, and recovery may not be possible without professional help. If the drive is corrupted and you are unable to access it through normal means, you can try booting into safe mode and attempt file recovery from there. Enter safe mode. Restart your computer and press F8 or Shift plus F8 as it boots up. Choose safe mode with networking. Recover data. Try using data recovery software or copying files to another device while in safe mode. If you've tried all recovery methods and the drive is still not working, formatting may be the last resort. Note: this will erase all the data on the drive, so it should only be done if recovery is impossible. Format using disk management. Right-click the Start button and select Disk Management. Right-click on the corrupted drive and select Format. Choose the file system like NTFS or exFAT and complete the formatting process. Format using command. Prompt: open command prompt as administrator. Type format x/fs ntfs. Replace X with the letter of the corrupted drive. If the drive still doesn't work after formatting or using data recovery tools, the issue could be physical damage to the drive. For hard drives, if your hard drive is making clicking or grinding noises, it might be physically damaged, and data recovery can be difficult. It's best to consult a professional data recovery service if the drive is physically damaged. For USB drives, if the USB drive has suffered physical damage like bent connectors, you might need to consult a professional. If the USB drive has suffered physical damage, you might need to consult a professional. Backup your data regularly. To avoid future data loss, always backup important files to an external hard drive or cloud storage. Replace the drive. If the drive is physically damaged or failing, it's important to replace it as soon as possible to avoid further data loss.